Okay, good morning, guys. It's Dave here again. One quick change for you that appears to have maybe ruffled a few feathers here and there, but let me explain it, and then you can just carry on with what you were doing. We were having some issues, and more than once, where the delivery date was getting set, and I'm assuming, and I'm probably 100% right in assuming this, it was probably through clicking simply just this edit button, possibly on the finalize page. Either way, it's kind of using the default Salesforce interface, which is pretty clunky. So what was happening was AM and PM was getting mixed up, and the orientation staff and the rigging staff were looking at the calendar, and it was showing at 12 a.m. when it should have been 12 p.m. And since it was way up at the top of the page, they didn't scroll, no one scrolled, and they didn't see it. This happened more than once. So the only way I can fix this is you need to now set the pickup date through the calendar. That's it. You'll notice it's gone from here. If you click the edit, it's not there. So you can no longer do it here. It no longer shows up on the finalized form. If you went to the finalized form, you can set the pickup location, and that's it. You can't do the date. So I mean, it's not that big a deal, guys. It's actually better. So if you want to pick up the date, and you can't set the date until everything is approved, because there's no sense setting dates until stuff's approved. So once it's gone to pending tagging, we simply click on the calendar and find it over here, over on the right. And now this is a list of everything that's just waiting to be scheduled. And I'm set up as Barry, and this was a Barry pickup, so there's my opportunity I was dealing with right there. And it's just as simple as dragging it out here, anywhere. And what I've done is, if it gets put out here, see, it's coming in at 5 a.m. If we click save, you get a warning. This is before our normal opening times. This is going to happen between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. So anything outside of those boundaries, you're going to get this warning. You're going to have to say, yep, that's what I want to do, and then just deal with it. This is the only way I can ensure that this pickup date doesn't get set with outside these blocks. I can hard code it, but then there's no way of getting around it. So if we wanted to make an exception to pick up a boat at 7 o'clock because we're doing this guy a favor, we wouldn't be able to do it. So this is it. This is what you guys have to deal with. I don't think it's a big deal, but I mean, I've been wrong before. So just click yes, and it will, it'll create there. Same as if we change it to 5:30 and 6:30 here. You still get the warning, as well as, dragging it when you drop it. It's 6:30, right? So this is just the way it's going to be. So I hope that's okay, guys. Have a good day.